So, today I got a message how I unscrew gauges because somebody commented on that. And to be perfectly honest, I'll rather prefer somebody else do it than you. I don't know this. So I'm just going to take the gauges that got stuck and like just, you know, tighten it up just a little. So if I was you, I would have somebody else do it. So just take a plier.
Who's Ken? His adult albino friend who does improvised hip hop. Yeah.
Just like put the one where it unscrews while holding it. Take the other pliers. Oh shit.
I'm worried about Louise. What little girl doesn't want a slumber party? Are you really surprised, Lynn? She's not the most social.
Take the bottom and just like twisted it opposite. Ow.
If Louise would just do the thing she hates, I know she'd love it. That sounds like nonsense.
And it should be loose.
Or mom sense. I think you might be making too big a deal about this slumber party thing, Len. It is a big deal.
There you go. If I was you, I would like barely like not like screw it all the way because you know that would happen. So yeah, I hope that was helpful because yeah, don't do it yourself. Have somebody else do it, and it may hurt you because you know it pinched my ear and it made me bleed. And my screws got stuck, but got unstuck because of the dry blood. I hope this was helpful. And sorry I haven't been posting videos. I've been with my boyfriend. So, yeah. I really love, you know, that you commented and asked. If you have any more questions, you know, just comment it again. Love y'all.